Good day, everyone. Today we are going to talk about two different fixed income instruments. One is the National Savings Certificate, and the second is called the Kisan Vikas Patra. So let's get started. The National Savings Certificates is what we will be starting with, and you can see it offers an interest of around 6.8%. However, has got a lock-in period of about 60 months, and you can buy it off any post office, and we will be looking at some of its main features in the next few minutes. The fixed income instrument National Savings Certificate is a fixed income instrument that pays a lump sum amount on maturity, which means that your money is locked into the system and you will be getting only the amount at the end of the term. And because this is directly run by the government, investments in NSE are extremely safe. So you do not have to worry about banks collapsing or anything like that. Your investment is guaranteed by the government of India. So it's a very, very safe avenue for investment. Another major advantage is that investments of around 1.5 lakhs maximum can earn tax rebate under ATC. So if you want to use this for tax purposes, that is also a good way of investing money. One another major feature is that the interest that is accrued on NSE deposit is also tax exempt under ATC. So both the investment that you have put in as well as the interest can be claimed for tax deduction. That is the particular feature for this financial instrument. However, there are some issues with this financial instrument as well. The maturity amount is taxable as per the slab that you are currently in. The income tax system in India works on the basis of slabs. If your annual income is within a particular slab, you pay a particular income tax percentage. So, based on the slab in which you fall in, the maturity amount will also be taxed accordingly. The year in which this maturity happens, the money that you get after maturity will be counted towards your income for that particular year. The major issue that comes other than that is that the interest is compounded annually, but you will get the interest payment only on maturity. There is no way in which you can have periodic interest rate payments, unlike fixed deposits. The third major issue is that premature withdrawal is not possible under normal conditions. You can get premature withdrawal only under these three conditions, which means that the holder has to pass away, or if there is any particular court order that allows you to encash your NSE, or if you find that the gazetted officer is vouching for the account to be forfeited. So these are the three criteria under which you will be able to close or withdraw the NSC before it matures. So it's a very difficult thing if you want to close this NSC or withdraw money from the NSC prematurely. The next fixed income instrument that we will talk about is the Kisan Vikas Patra, which is also something similar to what you will see in the national saving certificates. However, the time period is much longer. As you can see, the interests are slightly higher, but the time period that you will have to wait for it to get completely matured is 124 months. And you can also buy this from the post. So what is Kisan Vikas Patra? It was introduced in 1988 mainly to help the farmers. The government wanted to make some money that could be invested in the development of farm and agriculture sector. it has continued to exist even today, and even though it is not very popular, it's still being offered through post offices. And you can see it's an instrument that pays lump sum on 124 months, and obviously because it is coming from the government directly, these investments are extremely safe. One difference between the Kisan Vikas Patra and the NSE is that you can prematurely encash the Kisan Vikas Patra certificates, something similar to what you see at the top. This is the older certificates. You can have newer ones as well. You can have online methods also, but you can encash this in 2.5 years instead of waiting for the entire term to get over. Another requirement is that the minimum investment has to be at least 1000 rupees. So if you have less than 1000 rupees to invest, you cannot invest it in Kisan Vikas. Some of the major issues that exist with Kisan Vikas Patra include the fact that there are no tax exemptions. You will have to pay entire tax on whatever you have invested and whatever you get. And obviously, there is a lock in period of 2 years. So you cannot take it back before the end of 2 years. And the third problem that is there with Kisan Vikas Patra and with the National Savings Certificate is that interest gets compounded annually, but you cannot get payouts. You will get only the total lump sum amount at the end of term or at the time of withdrawal. So that's all for today. We will see some more fixed income instruments in the next video. Till then, keep watching.